Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, March the 31st of March. Yes, 2021, last day of March. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 9 extra puzzles in additional of today's newspaper. Half of them I will solve. And the news of today, news of today. Well, the winter is back in the country. Yes. The forecast, they predicted that tonight it will snow. Yeah, it will be snowing end of March, 1st of April. Yes, it's on April Fool's Day. Yes, so snowing. Well, it's long time I have seen snow here, but they have told us the weather forecast that it will going to snow tonight. Yes. Anyway, let's get started with this medium Sudoku. It will be number 4338. Yes. 4338. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 2 stars. A 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Okay. Alright. Which number can I pick? Which number can I pick? How about? Yeah. Let me start with a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6s. Alright. So, we have a 6 in the last column. 6 in that column. So the column between, yes. Only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Okay. How about the 5 in this row? The 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So the last row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between the middle column, not the middle column. The column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Yeah. Need to wait. Let me see. 7. Ah, 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see that 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Well. Need to wait again. I'm thinking. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in the last column. So no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. The other pair in this big square, other numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 it goes there. All right. Then. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let me see. 2, 5, 2, 2, 5. Well, need to wait again. 4. I'm thinking. 2, 2. Wait. 2, 2. How about the 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next are only 2 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. All right. 3, 5, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I Can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. All right. 3, 394, 394. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. All right. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. Here 3 in the third column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in a row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 4, 2, 1. Then 2 missing numbers in this column, the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, okay. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, okay. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 1. Well, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. All right. Now I cannot continue with the 1. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9, it goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4, it goes there. 1 box left in this column. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these two numbers in the last row? Four numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9 are missing. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, no, need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 numbers left in this row. The 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9 are missing. 3 and the 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzles. And it's a Sudoku Medium. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Who knows? We have here the 1, 5, and the 9. 1, 5, and the 9. 2, 6, and the 1. 2, 6, and the 1. And 3, 7, and the 4. 3, 7, and the 4. We have one pair. The 1. Only one pair. Alright. Thank you. And I see you later. Bye-bye for now.